In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows, circles, and lines in CapCut. We'll use CapCut's built-in stickers to highlight anything on screen without leaving the editor. Start by opening CapCut on your device. If you're on desktop or the web, the layout may look a little different from mobile, but the tools we're using are in the same place. Create a new project if you need to, and make sure you're in a 16:9 canvas if you're editing for YouTube or a similar platform. Add your video to the timeline so you have something to annotate. Drag your clip into the main track and scrub to the moment you want to highlight. It helps to zoom into the timeline so small adjustments are easier to see and control. Now, open the Stickers panel. This is where CapCut keeps a wide range of graphics, including simple shapes. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type circle and browse the options. Choose a simple outline or a filled style, depending on the look you want. Lighter outlines work well on dark footage, and bold colors pop on busy scenes. Drag the circle onto your video. You can drop it directly on the canvas or onto its own track above your clip. Resize it by pulling the corner handles and move it to frame the exact area you want to highlight. If you need the circle on screen longer or shorter, adjust its duration by dragging the ends of the sticker layer on the timeline. You can also change its color and thickness in the right-hand Properties panel to improve contrast. Next, go back to Stickers and type Arrow. Pick a clean arrow that matches your circle's style. Drag it to the video and rotate it so the tip points precisely at your subject. Use the on-screen handles to fine-tune placement and match the color to your circle for a consistent look. If you need multiple arrows, duplicate the layer and reposition the copy instead of starting from scratch. Lastly, type Line in the sticker search. Select a straight line, then drag it onto your video. Use it to underline text, divide sections, or guide the viewer's eye. Adjust the length, thickness, and angle so it sits neatly where you want it. Keep an eye on alignment guides to maintain clean framing. That's it. You opened CapCut, added your video, and used stickers to search for a circle, an arrow, and a line, then dragged each onto your timeline and customized size, position, color, and duration. With these simple tools, your edits will be clearer, more professional, and easier for viewers to follow.